Welcome to Brain Vision.
The mass of silver is m, which is 4.00 kg. Silver ingot. The specific heat of silver is C, which is 234 joule per kg Kelvin. The change in temperature is delta T, which is 0 minus 750. So it's 750 degrees Celsius. It's minus 750 Kelvin. The heat required to change the temperature of a substance by delta T is given by the relation Q is equal to mc delta T. The value of Q can be calculated as minus 4,234 and delta T is 750, which makes it minus 702 into 10 to the power 3 joule. The negative sign indicates that the heat is given up by silver ingot. This heat used to melt ice. The heat vaporization of water LF is 3.34 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg. The quality of ice that this heat is able to melt is which is Q 702 into 10 to the power 3 by LF, which is 3.34 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg, which makes it 2.10 kilograms.